Oh, absolutely. I mean, look, what's the biggest issue facing the world right now? It's the global debt bubble. Everyone knows that. At least everyone in the know should know that. It's not global warming or even nuclear war. This is the greatest threat to humankind because what they're gonna do right now is continue to inflate the debt until that point of what I call maximum saturation, where the system becomes so overwhelmed, and we're already seeing the effects of that, and that is rising inflation here. And it's just a matter of time before it gets out of control. Now, what eventually is going to occur is very simple in my view. We're going to see massive sell-off in the debt market, which is going to cause bond yields to spike around the world. We've been witnessing a lot of that lately. A lot of jawboning by central bankers, Fed leakers. I call like Nick over there, I forget his last name, Oink Man. But there's a mechanism in place right now to try to give the resemblance of some kind of stability in the debt market. But the fact of the matter is it's getting out of control. And it's only a matter of time before an implosion occurs in the debt markets, which will result in an uncontrolled spiking in bond yields around the world. And you're going to see cash bleeding out of the debt market, which is going to put a lot of pressure on the stock market as rates rise. And the cash is just going to move from one set of assets into another. It's going to move, in my view, it's going to go into commodities. I've been telling people this literally for a decade. It's going to eventually play out that way. Risk on will become risk off. Cash is going to just leave certain assets, debt, equities, and just go into other things. And then that eventually that cycle will reverse too. But that's how it's going to play out eventually. And there's a lot of effort right now by the Federal Reserve and other central banks to at least try for now to stabilize the debt market. They're not done. In my view, central banks need to inflate further. They need to create more people that are dependent on the system the way it is. And they're literally eliminating an entire class of people here worldwide. The middle class is being systematically and deliberately eliminated.